Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you the batch run in MRDCL Central. Run batch setup allow users to create multiple STP run in MRDCL without creating a batch file and without any user intervention. To create a run batch item, create new batch creates a new batch file. Make sure to save the edited batch item before clicking this. Duplicate batch, which create a duplicate copy of the run batch item, and also the delete batch. If this is enabled, continue running next setup file and run if a setup fails. The batch run files field, the save button, which is save any changes made to the batch item, batch status, last status of the run batch button which runs the batch items, cancel batch buttons that cancel the run batch. The running setup will be completed before canceling the run batch. To create a run batch item, press Create New button, then input the batch name and description. The batch name should be unique, and the batch setup file page. Then drag and drop the setup item for the recent list to batch setup file page. User can also change the sequence of the setup files. The Save Batch Item button. This is where you enter the batch run name that should be unique. And this is where you enter the description. If continue batch run risks, enable the batch run will continue even if a setup file failed. CL run failed and aborted. Disabled, the batch run will stop when a setup file failed. CL run failed and aborted. Run batch item can have multiple setup files added via drag and drop. The setup files added will have its own run control parameters. Users can modify the RCP of each item in run batch page. Run control parameter available are CEPX or compile, execute, print and export as spread SP info I, and report indexer for R. User can also sort the sequence of the run as well as keeping a setup while we need it. When a set of files needed to be run multiple times, the data statement and ask command in the setup file can be used. As many ask command can be added to use ask command in batch run, the ask command parameters will have to be added in setup item. Note that all the text appears in double quotes. To add the ask command in batch run, click on the expand arrow to add new setup with the ask command icon.